Canada 1 cent coin from 2008. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a coin that's still fresh in the memories of many collectors, the 2008 Canadian 1 cent coin. While most of us are used to seeing these coins as just pocket change, there's a lot more to the 2008 penny than meets the eye. From its unique design to its historical significance, we're going to break down its value, rarity, and why some collectors are willing to pay much more than just a single cent for this coin. Historical background. So, what makes the 2008 Canadian 1 cent coin so interesting? Let's start with the historical context. The early 2000s were an exciting time in Canadian history. In 2008, Canada was celebrating the 150th anniversary of the province of Newfoundland and Labrador joining the Confederation. This was a major milestone in Canada's history, and the country was reflecting on its past while moving toward the future. The Canadian economy was also doing well during this period, with strong economic growth, though inflation was starting to make its presence felt. The 2008 penny was just one of many circulating coins in the year, but its significance is more than just the year it was minted. Design. On the obverse side of the coin, you'll find the familiar and iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This image of the Queen had been on Canadian coins since 1965, and it continued to grace Canadian circulation coins until 1989. Surrounding the Queen's image are the inscriptions Elizabeth II, DG Regina, and of course, the year 2008. Flipping the coin over, we encounter the reverse side, and here's where the 2008 penny becomes really interesting. The design is part of the long-running series featuring a single maple leaf in the center. The maple leaf, Canada's national symbol, has appeared on Canadian 1 cent coins for decades, representing the nation's connection to its natural beauty and history. Surrounding the leaf are the words Canada and 1 cent. But what sets the 2008 1 cent coin apart is the sharpness of the design and the overall quality of the minting, which makes certain coins from this year stand out among others. Mintage figures. Now, let's talk about mintage numbers, a key factor in determining a coin's rarity. A total of 1.4 billion 1 cent coins were minted in Canada in 2008, which may sound like a huge number. But despite the high mintage, the coin's condition, any error varieties, and the grading can still make certain examples worth more than face value. So, how much is the 2008 Canadian 1 cent coin actually worth? For the most part, if you find a circulated 2008 penny, it's worth just 1 cent. That's because this coin is relatively common, given the large mintage numbers. However, the real value comes from high-grade examples or coins that have been kept in unopened mint sets or have a perfect strike, double die. A well-preserved uncirculated 2008 penny might be worth $1 to $300, depending on the quality of the coin and its condition. The better the condition, the higher the value. For example, a coin graded MS65 or higher, mint state, meaning no wear, could potentially fetch anywhere from $60 to $13,000 at auction, with MS66 or MS67 examples going for around $150 to $2,500. Now, let's talk about error coins and varieties. While the 2008 penny is generally common, there are some error varieties and misprints that can make it worth much more. For example, die cracks, off-center strikes, or double die varieties are all sought after by collectors. A die crack on the edge of the coin or a double date could drastically increase the value. Coins with major minting flaws or errors, especially if they are well preserved, could be worth anywhere from $60 to $3,000 or more, depending on the error's severity and its market demand. Coin varieties. As for the rare varieties of the 2008 1 cent coin, coins with full bands, referring to the detailed strike on the maple leaf design, or those with exceptionally sharp strikes could be worth more in the eyes of collectors. A superb quality example of the 2004 penny in mint state 67 or higher, especially one with no noticeable imperfections, could fetch prices upwards of $500. Worth millions. So, could the 2008 Canadian 1 cent coin be worth millions? Unfortunately, no, not in the way some ultra-rare coins are worth millions. The 2008 penny is not a coin with a minting error that would make it a world record breaker like the 1913 Liberty Head nickel or the 1943 copper penny. However, depending on the specific grade, condition, and rarity, the 2008 penny could still be worth hundreds of dollars, and those with minting errors might even see thousands in certain auction houses or private sales. Recent auctions. Speaking of auctions, let's take a look at the recent auction prices. High quality, error-free 2008 pennies in MS65 to MS67 grades have sold for anywhere between $150 to $4,000 at various Canadian coin auctions. Error coins, like those with double die varieties or off-center strikes, have been known to fetch anywhere from $60 to $3,000 or more, depending on the market demand at the time. To give you an example, Heritage Auctions and Canadian Numismatic Auctions have listed high-grade 2008 1-cent coins with special varieties, and some have gone for $100 or more, especially if they're part of a larger collection or have been preserved in near-perfect condition and quality. So, what should you do if you have a 2008 Canadian penny in your collection? First off, check the condition and quality. If it's in great shape, you might want to get it graded by a professional service like PCGS or NGC. If you spot any errors, such as die cracks, double die varieties, or off-center strikes, those could be very valuable and worth having professionally appraised. In conclusion, the 2008 Canadian 1-cent coin may not be the rarest or most valuable penny ever minted, but there's still plenty of opportunity to find one that's worth far more than face value. Whether it's a high-grade uncirculated example or a rare mint error, this coin is a great addition to any collection. Conclusion. Thanks for watching today's video. If you've ever found a 2008 penny or have one of those hidden treasures in your collection, let me know in the comments below.